Hi there viewers, I'm the Extraordinary Tourist and welcome to Friday's edition of my studio diaries. Today I'm going to be finishing off the last few stages of my About Time painting. I did some work yesterday on that and recorded some footage that is also included in today's diary. So at this stage I'm recording this, it's just the last few details and then it should be finished. So without further ado, let's get on. So there you go, I hope you've enjoyed watching me create this artwork for my local gallery's exhibition, which is called About Time. My next video I'm going to do, I'll be demonstrating how I photograph my artwork, so if you're interested to learn how to do that, or how to photograph your artwork without any sort of flashy equipment other than cameras that most people have, tune in for my next diary episode, which will be Monday. So until then, we shall see you later. Bye for now.